Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can view all the saved passwords on your iPhone. Maybe you didn't even save it, but you have it in the settings. There is a certain function where all our passwords are saved. That is, for example, if you accidentally forgot your password somewhere, or you just can't find it from somewhere, from social networking or from mail, there is an option. For this, you go into the settings after that. We go down a little bit lower and look for the item, password. Click here. We are asked to enter Face ID or password, and here we have all our passwords stored. That is all accounts, all passwords. You can click on any address, for example, as you can see. This is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.